Welcome to another video. Alright, let's provide the right solution to this problem. Okay, we have x raised to 9 plus x raised to 6 equals to 36. Okay, now can we get a common term here? So we have power 9 here and power 6 here. So can I say x raised to 3 raised to that? So 339. Can I also get the same thing here? X raised to 3. So this time is 2 because we have 6 here. 3 to 6. So let's bring the 36 in. So we have this. So we have a common term here. So if you let a variable represent that, so let y be x cube. So we have y cube plus y squared minus 36 equal to 0. Now, since we have cube here, let's look for the first factor. So let's apply the factor theorem. Okay, so which value of y will make this one go to 0? Now let's try 2. Now 2 to the power 3 is 8. Plus 2 to the power 2 is 4. 8 plus 4 is 12 minus 36 is not equal to 0. Now let's use 3. Now 3 to the power 3 plus 3 squared minus 36. So 3 to the power 27. 27 plus 9 is 36. 36 minus 36 got to 0. Therefore, we can say 3 will work. Okay. So if f of 3 is equal to 0, it means x minus 3 is a factor. We are using y, so we can say y minus is a factor. Okay, so let's divide this by that. So we have y minus 3. So we have y cube plus y squared. There is no y, so let's introduce 0y minus 36. Now we are focusing on this part. Okay, so y into y cube is y squared. Y squared times y is y cube. Y squared times minus 3 y squared. Let's subtract. Y cube minus y cube is 0. Y squared minus becomes 4y squared. So let's add 0y, then minus 36. Y into this comes plus 4y times that 4y squared minus 12y. Let's subtract this minus that 0 minus, so we have 12y minus 36. Y into 12y is 12. We have plus 12. So we have 12 times y, 12y times minus 3 minus 36. So we have 0. Okay. So we can say that y minus 3 multiplied by the result here, y squared plus 4y plus 12 equal to 0. Okay, so we need to provide the right solution of this. Now, the first answer for this equal to 0, and the second one has to do with y squared plus 4y plus 12 equal to 0. Can this give us a resolution? Let's use the discriminant to check. So we have this b squared minus 4ac. Let's check if we will get a resolution here. So a is 1, b is 4. 4 squared minus 4 times 1. C is 12. So we have 16 minus 48. So 16 minus 48. So we have minus 32. So this one is complex, therefore no solution, no resolution. Okay, so it means that this one won't give us resolution. Therefore, we focus on this. So this one is out. So my y here is 3. So let's go back and substitute. So we have 3 equals to x cube. Okay, therefore let's raise both powers by 1 over 3. Over 3. So this side will cancel. So the only resolution here is 3 raised to 1 on 3. Okay. Alright, so let's check if it will give us 36. So let's check. Let's check. So we have 3 raised to 1 on 3. So we have times 9 as the power. Times 6. So let's check if you get 36. So we have 3 into 9, 3. We have 3 to the power 3. So we have 3 squared. 27 plus 9 equals to 36. So we have 36 equals to 36. All right, so that's that.